Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Vespa Fix and Fun. Today I'm going to show you how to buy the correct flywheel tool according to your Vespa engine half. As you may know, in the market the flywheel tool there are some three sizes, and it exclude the size if you have a performance ignition system. So it could be a different more size than in the factory made. In generally there are three sizes, as I told you. It starts from 26, but I don't have here. This one is M27, this one is M28, but how you will know which size is for you? So what you need is to measure your outer thread of the flywheel here. For example, this one I'm going to do for you for real time. Okay, this one is for this size. I'm going to lock it and read it. As you may see, this one is 27. So when you go to buy it, you have to be sure that you get the M27, which is according to this one. So I hope that this clip is useful for you. Don't waste your money buying a wrong tool to your Vespa engine, and don't forget to measure your outer thread before you're going to order online or going to shop. Anyway, to get a tool, you need to buy the right tool in one time, and your work gonna be good. So thank you for watching and see you next clip. Bye bye.